All right, hey, how's it going? This is the first installment in the Harborview Haven help desk on how to log in and use Weebly right here. So, first thing you need to do if you want to log in, if you're one of the approved users, is head over to www.weebly.com. And this should open up a page that looks something like this. With Emily Walters from Backwoods Beer Soap Company. There are a couple of things you can do here. You can try and build your own free website. You can see how this particular website works, so how websites for Weebly work, or you can come in to log in, and that's what we're going to do here today. Basically, you have a login address and password that you previously set up, so you're just going to click right here where it says login. This screen's going to come up. You're going to see there's two fields. There's an email and a password. And what you're going to do is you're going to type in your email address and you're going to type in your password. It remembers my password because I clicked this little button down here that says remember me. And then I'm all ready to rock and roll and simply log in. So type in your email address, type in your password. I like to click remember me so I don't have to remember the password all the time. Click login. And when everything is finished and working, you will jump into the dashboard page. This is the first page that you'll see when you come to do anything in the site. Here we've got a whole bunch of application type buttons up here. Promote is if we decide to build a newsletter, so there might be a video on that later if that's something that we do inside of Weebly. Google Apps, so there's different apps that can be applied to Weebly. So if we want to add functionality like a calendar or something else, photos or a tracker, or a couple that we have on the site right now is a weather app, and we also have a calendar one. That's where you'll find that. This is where you manage your domains. If you have multiple domains and sites, these are two buttons you guys don't really have to push. Up here you'll see this is who you are. This is I'm Harborview Haven. This is where you come to log out. So when you're finished, you will just click log out. And the other buttons we have here, we've got edit site. That's the one we're going to go use here in a second. I'll just show you the rest of this page before we do that. Upgrade is a button if we want to add more functionality to the site. We can update or upgrade our account to include HD videos, e-commerce sites, that kind of stuff. This is the stats part of our site. So right now we've had 141 different people jump onto our site. They viewed 665 pages this week. So that is where that's at. Down here you'll see form entries. So this is the contact form that we have on our website. So if those are directly linked to information at hvh.ca, so they'll go directly to that email account. But this is kind of a fail-safe, so we can jump in and see those messages. We can do that by just clicking there. Down here we have blog entries or comments from our blog, so you can read some of those if you'd like. They're kind of all collected there just to make it convenient so you don't have to jump from blog entry to blog entry to see what's new. And then if you want to learn some more about Weebly, that's what down here is all about. So this is just some different tutorials, some inspiration to get you excited and started on new projects for Weebly. So that's if you want to do some PD on that. That's a space that you can go check out. So essentially, that's how you log in to your Weebly account. That's it's just that simple. In the next one, I'm going to show you how to enter the site and edit the site. And that's where we'll go from there. So hope you like the first tutorial. Let's keep moving on.